Hello class 7, how are you all? So from today we are going to begin the new chapter number 7. The name of chapter is weather, climate and adaptation of animals. So we are going to study about in this chapter about weather, climate. Yes. So before we begin, let me give you a brief introduction about weather. So, what is weather? Weather is actually the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. Yeah, at a place, at a place, particular place. We are talking about the particular place, because weather can be different at a different place. Yes, okay. It's all depend on wind, rain, temperature, and many more. So, the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, this is known as weather. Okay, and we will discuss about the weather in detail. And if we talk about the climate, what is climate? Actually, climate does not change for a long period. Yeah, climate can be same at at a large area. Yeah, in a country it can be same, but in different country it may be different. Okay, so generally it may be the value of 25 years. Yeah, average of 25 years. So climate of a place, we can say that the average weather condition at a particular place, that is actually climate. So we will study about the climate zone of India, and we will also study about the adaptation. Yeah, because adaptation can be, we can categorize the adaptation into category behavioral adaptation, structural adaptation. Yes, there are two different category of adaptation. So we will discuss the adaptation for different animals like polar bears, penguins, and many more. We will discuss their characteristics. So the chapter is long. It will take little bit time. Okay. So you will have to keep patience. Okay. You will have to keep patience. So weather, as you know that whenever it happens that sometime it happens that right now I am in the room. Right now I am in the room. So the temperature of this room is uh, at moderate. So I'm not feeling is cold, neither feeling cold nor feeling hot. But if I will go outside, and the outside it's sunny, so I will feel little bit hot, and in the morning time I will feel cold. So temperature may be different at a particular place. Sorry, weather may be different at a particular place. Yeah, but climate doesn't change. For weather can change anytime. Weather can change anytime, but climate doesn't change. Okay, so it was all about introduction of weather, climate, and adaptation of animals. Okay, now, first of all, we'll begin with the introduction. So, let's move on the next point. Okay, introduction. So, weather and climate have a great impact on our daily life. Yes, really, they have a great impact on our life. Yes, you know, uh, uh, our clothes, when your mother wash your clothes and they dry up during the sunlight. Yes, in sunny they dry up, but in summer they quickly dry. But in winter it takes time, and during rainy season it takes too much time. Yeah, it is the effect. And during winter, we wear different kind of woolen clothes, sweater, socks, and during summer we do not wear. We wear cotton clothes. Yeah, there is a reason behind it. Is because of the weather and climate. Yeah, and according to weather and climate, we eat the type of food like during winter we drink hot liquid, we take hot liquid, yes, it's often we take. So we can say that weather and climate determines the type of clothes we wear, yes, the type of clothes we wear, mode of transport we use, type of food we grow and eat, yeah, type of food we grow and eat. So all the living organisms are adapted to survive in the climatic condition of their natural habitat. The people of Jammu Kashmir, they adapted the condition of their cold temperature condition, they have adapted. We are the people of Rajasthan, we have adapted the condition of Rajasthan. So different people, different organisms adapted to survive the climatic condition of their natural habitat, yes, like uh, there are many animals who have uh, long hair on their body to adapt the condition, yes, okay. So, weather and climate have a great impact on our daily life. We can say that weather and climate have a great impact on our daily life. Yes. So, weather and climate determine the type of clothes we wear, mode of transport we use, type of food we grow and eat. Yes. So, I hope you understood. Now, we will see the definition of weather and we will talk something more about weather. Okay. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, so let's talk about weather. Yes. So what is weather? The day-to-day condition. Yes, the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place, particular place, with respect to temperature, humidity, rain, wind speed, is called weather at that place. Yes. Right now I am at this place, so if I talk about the temperature here of this room, temperature is neither low nor more. So the temperature is balanced. That's why I'm not feeling neither cold nor hot. And the wind speed is very low. That's why I'm not feeling so cold. So it's not the so the room is neither cool nor warm. It's moderate condition, at medium condition. Okay. So, but if I will go outside this room, outside the room, wind is blowing. The speed of wind is very fast. So I will feel cold. Yes, definitely I will feel cold. But humidity is not. Yeah, if humidity increase, then we feel little bit uncomfortable. So place to place weather changes. Place to place, what happens? The weather changes. So the temperature, humidity, rainfall, snowfall, wind speed, all these are known as elements of weather. Yes, these are known as elements of weather. So which are the elements of weather? The temperature, humidity, rainfall, snowfall, wind speed. These are elements of weather. Okay. So weather can change place to place every day, not only every day, every second, every minute it can change. Yeah, it's possible. Weather can change every minute because sometimes weather can be more warm, sometimes it can be humid. Yeah, humid means humidity. Humidity means the amount of water vapor in atmosphere. Yes, which is defined as humidity. Sometimes our weather can be cloudy, yeah, sometimes it can be windy, and sometimes it may rain for an hour, yeah, and sometimes the rain can be whole day. So sometimes it becomes sunny and clear after that. So it happens. So weather changes continuously, as you can see in the picture. Sunny weather you can see in the first picture, second picture windy and the wind is blowing. Third picture you can see cloudy, and last picture it's a raining weather. So weather can be sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy. So weather can be different at different place. It's a true. Okay, so I hope you understood that weather at a place change every moment. Yeah. Okay. It's a depend upon humidity, rainfall, snowfall, wind. Yes, it's depend upon them. If wind speed is increased, then we can say weather is cool. Yeah, weather will become cool. If snowfall, then weather will become very cold. If rainfall, then weather will become cool. If humidity, then weather will become little bit warm, uncomfortable. If the temperature increase, the weather will become hot. Yes. So we can say that what is weather? So the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed is called weather. I hope you understood. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, so now let's study about meteorology and meteorological department. Yes, let's study about meteorology and meteorological department. Okay. So, what do you mean by meteorology and meteorological department? First, check out the spelling of meteorology. 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 So, meteorology means the scientific study of atmosphere. Yes. Suppose you do the, if you are doing the study of physics, in the same way people do the study of atmosphere. If you are studying science, in the same way people study about the atmosphere. So the study of atmosphere is known as meteorology. Okay, the study of, like the study of history we call social science. Yes, so in social science we study about the history. Yes, so in the same way meteorology is the interdisciplinary scientific study of the atmosphere. Yeah, meteorology is the interdisciplinary scientific study of the atmosphere. And what do you mean by meteorologist? Meteorologist is that person who study about meteorology. Meteorologist is that person who studies about the atmosphere, who study about the weather. Yes, who study about the meteorology. And it is done by meteorological department. So what is meteorological department? It is the department who collect the data related to temperature, humidity, wind, rainfall. Yes, so meteorological department is that department who collect the data related to temperature, humidity, wind, whatever, and make the weather prediction and do the weather prediction. Okay, so I'm reading. Please look on the screen. Meteorological department of the government collects data on temperature, humidity, wind, etc. and makes the weather prediction. So, in television, if you watch television, in television the news anchor shows the temperature of different places. They in news that the temperature of Kolkata is 28 degrees Celsius, and so it will not rain. The temperature of Mumbai is 19 degrees Celsius, so it may be rain. The temperature of Mount Abu is 0 degrees Celsius, so it will be cold. The temperature of Rajasthan is 50 degrees Celsius, so it will become hot. Yeah. How do news anchor guess the result? Actually, news anchor get the result from meteorological department. Yes, it is the department who makes the prediction about the weather. Yes, okay, I hope you understood. So weather expert use computer technology and data from the earth station and satellite to predict the weather. Yes, and with the help of satellite, with the help of computer technology, we makes the weather prediction. Okay, I hope you understood about meteorology, meteorological department, meteorologist. Okay, now let's move on the next point. Okay, it's changes in weather. Changes in weather. So the weather is generally not the same on any 2 days, and there is a lot of change in the weather over weeks and months. Yes, so when as you already know that weather is never same of any 2 days. Yes, always it will be different, and there will be lot of change in weather in week, in month. Yes, you will see different changes. So as you can see an index here, given the index of 1 week, you can collect the report from the newspaper, and in the index in this table you can feel and observe the changes in temperature, humidity, rainfall for a week. Okay, you can make a table of 7 days by writing date, and write the maximum temperature in one column, write the minimum temperature in second column, write the maximum humidity in third column, write the minimum humidity in fourth column, and write the rainfall, it is happening or not, in last column. And write this 1 week, and try to find out the average temperature of the week. You will get the actual temperature, you will get the actual weather condition of that place. So if we record like this for 25 years, we actually take the record of 25 years to get the result of climate. So by observing like this, we can observe about the climate also. Okay, so it's very easy, because we know that temperature, maximum temperature, minimum temperature every day changes, maximum humidity, minimum humidity every day changes, rainfall sometime occur, sometime not. Yes, so it changes, so you can easily record. So because the weather is generally not the same on any 2 days, or and there is a lot of change occur in the weather over weeks and month. Okay, so all the changes in weather is caused by the sun. Yes, remember kids, these changes in weather occur due to the sun. Yes, due to the sun rays, due to the position of sun. Yes, due to the position of sun, because we know that sun is almost at the center, but in lower class we studied that sun is at the center, but actually sun is not present at the center. Okay, for your kind information, let me tell you, sun is not present at the center. It is just to make you understand, we teachers says that sun is at the center. Okay, sun, how can sun be at the center? No, it's not possible. So we know that earth is around the sun, so due to the position of sun, it happens. Yeah, sometimes sun rays fall directly on the earth, so it may be hot, sometimes doesn't, sometimes half. So it changes day to day. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's study about temperature. Okay, let's find out about the temperature and its relation with sun. Let's move on the next point. Okay kids, now let's study about temperature. So temperature is the measurement of how hot or cold an object is. Yes, how hot or cold an object is. Or you can say temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Yes, degree of hotness or coldness of an object. You know that temperature is measured by a thermometer. Yes, nowadays we use digital thermometer, and in lab we use laboratory thermometer. Thermometer contains mercury, but digital thermometer does not contain mercury. Mercury is a metal which is poisonous metal. It cannot be decomposed easily. So what is temperature? Temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Yes, you know temperature changes every day. Yes, In the morning time temperature is different, afternoon and noon time different temperature, evening time different temperature. Yes. So when will become the maximum temperature? Yes, at noon. Yes, the maximum temperature of day occur in the afternoon, because during the afternoon our earth gets heated by the sun too much. Yes, tightly sunlight falls on the earth. But if we talk about at night, as the sun rays do not fall at that place, yes, do not fall sun rays at night, so it cools down and bringing down the temperature. So during afternoon, at afternoon, uh, in the afternoon, what happens? In the afternoon, temperature is high, but at night temperature is low. Yes, slowly the temperature bring down. And if we talk about morning or evening, that time temperature become minimum and we feel cool. Yeah. So minimum temperature occurs early in the morning and in the evening. Yes, am I right? For it, special thermometer are used. Yes, as known as maximum and minimum thermometer. Yes. So to find out this temperature, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, to find out the temperature, maximum temperature at afternoon, minimum temperature in the morning, to find out it, we use special thermometer. Yes, we use special thermometer. The name of thermometer is maximum and minimum thermometer. So I hope that you understood, and you already know that temperature is measured in degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. Yes, degree Celsius or Fahrenheit is the unit of temperature. Okay, I hope you know about it. Okay, and I have shown you about thermometer. I have already shown you the thermometer. Yes, and we did the experiment related to it. You already know about it, so I no need to explain. I no need to explain it too much. You already know. Okay, now let's study about humidity. Let's move on the next point. Okay kids, let's study about the humidity. 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 So what do you mean by humidity? Humidity means how much water vapor is present in air. How much water vapor present in air? You know that the water of sea, the water of pond, the water of river, and due to sunlight, it convert into water vapor. Yes, and when when air is dry, because air is a gas, so in this air, water vapor is mixed. When the amount increase of water vapor in the air, we call it humidity. We feel uncomfortable. Yes, am I right? During rainfall especially humidity increase, but during summertime humidity decrease, because due to summer there is more heat. Due to more heat, all the vapor convert in the form of convert all the water convert into the form of water vapor, and it goes up because of heat. Okay, it converts into gas, and gas is always warm, and gas always rises up. Okay, and humidity indicate the likelihood of precipitation. Yes, it indicate the precipitation. Yeah, means if humidity increase, we can say that it may be rain. Sometime if humidity increase, we can say it may rain. Yes. A device is used to measure humidity is called psychrometer or hygrometer. Yes. So, which device is used to measure the humidity level? We use a device which is known as psychrometer. Yes, or it is, or you can say hygrometer. Yes, as you can see in the picture, the device which is used to find out the level of humidity. So, Humidity is also measured using remotely placed satellite. Yes, satellite also help to find out the humidity level in the atmosphere, in the air. So remember kids, psychrometer or hygrometer is a device which is used to find out about the humidity. But let me tell you one thing about this device. Nothing is given in your book. Yes, nothing is given in your book. Okay. So humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. Yes, if water vapor in the air increase, then humidity increase. If water vapor in air decrease, then humidity also decrease. I hope you understood. Okay. So it's very easy to remember it. It's very easy to memorize about the humidity. I hope you understood. Okay, now let's move on the next point. Okay, it's now let's study about rain. Yes, let's study about rain. So you know that what is humidity? You know humidity. What do you mean by humidity? The amount of water vapor in the air. When water vapor in the air increase, then humidity increase. When water vapor in the air decrease, then humidity also decrease. But remember, when humidity increase, that time the chances of rain also increase. Yes, the greater of humidity, more are the chances of rain. But if the humidity decrease, then the chances of rain also decrease. Yes. So when it generally rains occur during May, June, July. Yes, during this time rain basically occur. So how do we measure that how much rain occurred in any city? How do we measure? We use an instrument to measure the rain. Yes, we use an instrument which find out about the rain. Yes, rainfall. So rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. Yes, as you can see in the picture. The picture is small. Yeah. Mm. So rainfall is measured by an instrument. You can zoom and you can see the picture. Okay. So rain gauge is the instrument. So what is rain gauge? What is rain gauge? Rain gauge is basically a measuring cylinder. Yes, it is actually a cylinder with a funnel. Yes, on the top of to collect water. Yes, what is rain gauge? Rain gauge is actually a cylinder having a funnel on the top of it to collect the water. Okay. In India, rain is mainly brought by two kind of humidity, laden winds. Yes. So in India, two kind of humidity uh, bring the rain. So these are southwest monsoon. Yes, generally June to September southwest monsoon come from southwest side, and which bring heavy rain to most part of our country. And the northeast monsoon, November to March, which bring relatively lighter rain. Yes, you know, in during June, July, August, September, there is heavy rain occur. Yes, there is heavy rain occur during June, July, August, September. Why? Because the monsoon come from southwest. That's why. Yes. So in India, rain is mainly brought by two kind of humidity, leaden winds. Yes. So this wind come from southwest monsoon. Yes, southwest side monsoon. West side monsoon come to India. When southwest side monsoon come to India, then it brings heavy rain, and usually southwest monsoon come June to September. And when northeast monsoon come, when northeast one monsoon come, then it brings relatively lighter rain. Okay, so I hope you understood that which instrument is used to measure rainfall. Rain gauge. What is rain gauge? Rain gauge is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. Okay, and in India rain is mainly brought by two kind of humidity, laden wind. These are southwest monsoon. When southwest monsoon will come in June to September, bring heavy rain. Yes, most of the part of country, even in Rajasthan. I hope you understood it. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, it's time to solve the question. Question number one, define weather. So, what do you mean by weather? So, the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed is known as weather at that place. Yes, the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, and wind speed is called the weather at that place. I hope you understood. Next question we have. Next question is. Which instrument is used to measure rainfall? Yes, which instrument is used to measure rainfall? Yes, rain gauge. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. Yes, rain gauge is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel on the top to collect rainwater. Yes, I hope you understood. So, what rainfall is measured by rain gauge, and what is rain gauge? Rain gauge is basically a measuring cylinder with a funnel at the top to collect the rainwater. Next question is, write the effect of temperature and humidity. Yes, write the effect of temperature and humidity. So you know that what is temperature? Temperature is the measure of degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Yes. So effect of temperature, we know that when the temperature increase, then humidity decrease. When the temperature increase, humidity decrease. Okay, and the maximum temperature of the day occur in the afternoon, and at night the sun rays do not fall, so it brings down the temperature, and the minimum temperature occur early in the morning. And if we talk about humidity, humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. Yes, humidity indicate the likelihood of precipitation. Okay, and which device is used to measure humidity? Psychrometer, or you can say hygrometer. Okay, I hope you understood. And when the humidity increase, there are chances of rain. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4 is, which monsoon brings heavy rain and lighter rain in India? Yes, the southwest monsoon, generally June to September, brings heavy rain to most part of the country, and the northeast monsoon, generally November to March, which brings lighter rain. Okay, I hope that you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. Till then, bye bye.